Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of Mathematics 9 Science Group. In this lesson, I will solve question number 4. Let's read the question. Question says, find the negative of the matrices A, B, C, D, and E. We know negative of the matrix is a matrix obtained by changing the signs of the elements of the original matrix. It's marked as minus A. So minus A will be equal to, as the original matrix has the first entry positive 1, it will become minus 1, 0 and positive 1. So this will be the negative of the matrix A. Coming to the second matrix, in order to get the negative of this, I have to multiply this matrix by minus sign, and the entries which are positive will become negative and negative will become positive. So the negative of B will be minus 3, positive 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Very easy questions. Let's move to the C part. In order to get the negative, minus C will be equal to minus 2, minus 3, minus 6 and minus 2. And D part, the negative of this matrix will be equal to, the first entry is negative. When I will be multiplying this by minus sign, this will become 3, minus 2, positive 4 and minus 5. And coming to the last part, this is minus E equals to minus 1, minus 2, positive 5, minus 3. Very easy questions. Let's move to the next question. Question says that find the transpose of each of the following. And we know that the transpose of the matrix is the matrix which is obtained by changing the rows into columns and columns into rows. So the transpose of first matrix is marked as A transpose, and as this is in single column, so it will be turned in form of the row, and transpose of this will be 0, 1 and minus 2. Coming to the second matrix, transpose will be marked with B transpose, and it's the single row matrix, so it will be turned into column and it will take the form 5, 1 and minus 6. I hope you are clear about this. Coming to C matrix, C transpose will be equal to, it has 1, 2 and 3 rows, and in order to get the transpose, I have to turn these rows into column and it will take the form 1 with 2, 2 with minus 1 and 3 with 0. Coming to matrix D, D transpose, as transpose needs to change the rows into columns, so the first row, that is 2, 3, will be written as 2, 3 in column form, and the second is 0 and 5. Very easy questions. E transpose will be equal to, this is the first row and this is the second row, so what I have to do, I have to write it in form of the column minus 4 and 5. Coming to F transpose equals to, again this is the first row and this is the second row, I have to turn the rows into columns 1, 2 and 3, 4. I hope you are clear about these concepts. Let's move to question number 6, that says verify if A equals to 1, 2, 0, 1 and B equal to 1, 2, 1, 0, then A transpose will be equal to A and B transpose, and then again we have to take the transpose of that and it comes B. So first of all, I'll take the matrix A equals to 1, 0, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, and I have to show that A transpose. To prove, first I'll take the left hand side of the equation, left hand side, that is A transpose. So first of all, I have to take the transpose of the given matrix. Transpose of the given matrix means I have to change rows into columns, and then this is the first row, this is the second row, it will be written in form of column 1, 2 and 0, 1, then what I have to do, I have to take the transpose of this matrix again. Transpose, A transpose, transpose, like I have to shift the rows of this matrix in form of the columns, and it will take the form 1 0 and 2 1 2 1. Now if we look at this answer, this is equal to A, which is equal to right hand side. So what we can see, that A transpose equals to A, coming to proved. Now coming to the second part, that we have to prove that B transpose and then again transpose of that equals to B. Take the matrix B, take matrix B that has entries 1 1 2 0. First of all, I have to take the left hand side of the equation, which is B transpose. First of all, I have to take the transpose of B, and when I'm saying taking of transpose means changing rows into columns, and first row will become the first column and the second row will become the second column. Now 1 1 1 and 2 0. Now we again have to take the transpose of this B transpose, that again I have to turn the rows into columns. It will take the form 1 2 is the first row, it will be written in form of column, and then 1 0 will be written in form of the column. And if we look at this answer, we can see that this is equal to original matrix, which is B. Hence, or so, B transpose and transpose, B transpose equal to B. Hence proved. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.